अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप सो आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द वीक 13 lesson plans video session. Students, this one is first of all we have to know and we have to discuss this session is about group communication. जो basic purpose है हमारा week 13 में जो हमने lesson plans या lectures को discuss करना है, that is about group communication. Now, what are the learning objectives that we have to discuss right now? That can be to understand the concept of group communication. That is the first thing that we have to understand. Generally, आप लोगों को idea होगा what's the concept of our what is group communication. Definitely, when we know about the concept of communication, we know about the concept of group communication. Now, first thing is in detail we have to understand the concept of group communication. Then types of group meetings, this is what we have to discuss. Now, what are the different types of, you can say, group meetings? When we are talking about group communication, then we have different, sorry, then we have different types of, we can say, group meetings. Because in this topic, we have to discuss different types of meetings as well when we are talking about group communication. Now, next one is about that is the next thing, formation and procedure of meetings. That means how we have to make the meetings, what's the procedure, what will be the formation procedures, and so on. This is what we have to study in this lecture. Next one is about planning procedures of group meetings. Then we have to discuss about the planning procedures of the group meetings. What will be the planning and procedures of the group meetings? This is what we have to discuss. And you can say decision making and what else the alternative for different group communication and so on. The last thing that we have to study is about styles of group leadership. Now, what are the styles of group leadership? There are different number of styles of group leadership. That can be, we can say, like, you know very well, the number of autocratic or authoritarian or you can say democratic and so on. So the number of types of styles of leadership जो आप लोग from your HR point of view आप लोग already इन चीज़ों को देख चुके होंगे. So this one is about outline that we have to cover, students, and this is again very important. जो हमें again this topic is very important from your you can say communication concepts point of view, from your quizzes and paper point of view, because the number of terms that we will discuss in this lecture. So this is very important lecture, students. So I will recommend you कि इस videos ज़रूर in detail आप जो है वो ये session सुने और go through. Okay, class, this is what we have discussed in the last week. That is about last week lecture summary. That was about job interview. You know very well, this is what we have studied. To understand the concept of interview, this is what we have studied. Then types and methods of the interview, and how to avoid different interviewing mistakes, and guideline for conducting good interview, and so on. So this is what we have studied till now, right? So now next one is about group communication. Now, what will be the, you can say, what is group communication? Now, first of all, this one is, now let's move toward, अभी तक तो हमने outline को discuss किया. Sorry class, मेरा थोड़ा सा गले का काफी severe issue है, तो थोड़ा सा understand कीजिएगा आप लोग. So group communication, there are three or more individuals who interact over time, depend on each other, and follow the shared rules of conduct in order to reach a common goal. So, first of all, when we are talking about communication, you know about the communication concept. When we are talking about communication, that means from one point to another point, when we have to communicate, interaction, or you can say exchange of idea from one point to another point, that is about communication. And when we have you can say communication of number of individuals, that can be a group. So when we are talking about group communication, three or more individuals, just like three or more individuals who interact over time, depend on, you can say, each other, and follow the shared rules of conduct in order to reach a common goal. So its ideal size generally 4 to 7 and 3 to 9 for small group communication होता है. So this one is the concept of when we are talking about number of individuals sit together and they have to, not necessarily number of individuals, they have to communicate with one another. And now next, another concept is about team. Again, that is a group, special type of group characterized by different and complementary resources of members and a strong sense of collective identity. So again, a strong sense of collective identity. So again, this one is a you can say commonly जब एक ग्रुप एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के साथ लाइक जैसे आईटी की टीम अलग होती है, एचआर की अलग होती है, मार्केटिंग की अलग होती है, तो ये सारी टीम्स collectively when they have to work together, and that is you can say different types of groups जिनको हम different types of group में categorize कर देते हैं, and collectively they have to work for a specific goal or objective of the organization that we know very well. And at the end of the day, every group and every team, every department has to work together for the you can say to achieve the objective of the organization. So this one is about the concept of group communication. It's a basic concept, students. So generally, I just want to key concepts का आपको idea हो. So what is the difference between a group and crowd? Generally, what's the difference? Group consists of people who communicate with each other over time and share an interest in the same things or share a common purpose. So when the number of individuals, they have to talk with one another or communicate one another over time and share their interest in the same thing or share a common purpose. So group may be a formal or informal. This is what you have to know. Purpose of the group may be social task or combination of social tasks. So this one is the purpose. While in crowd, we are like not sure about the things and not sure about the purpose, not sure about the next person, next individual to whom we have to talk. So this one is the again difference and the basic concept. So in this, we are very much clear about the purpose and the objective, what we have to say and to whom we have to say. Okay, now next one is again very important, small group communication. Now, small, when we are talking about small group communication, again, it's a group communication. But what is small group communication? Small group communication, the interaction between 3 to 9, um, just like जो मैंने आपको पिछली slide में बताया, the interaction between 3 to 9 individuals are people who are working together to achieve an independent goal. So again, at the end of the day, we have to achieve our goal, we have to achieve our objective. So this is known as small group communication when we are talking about small number of individuals. Now, what's the again in detail, bit detail concept of group communication? Otherwise, so there is no limit of communication concept. क्लास हम इसमें काफ़ी जो यू कैन से व्हाट आई थिंक जो इम्पोर्टेंट और आपके साथ कुछ कंसर्न है, द नंबर ऑफ थिंग लाइक लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग एंड ऑल दैट, राइटिंग स्किल्स एंड ऑल दैट, बट वो सारी चीज़ें जहाँ तक हम कम्युनिकेशन को एससी और सॉरी एससी और हमारा दूसरा टेक्निकल राइटिंग के सेशन के साथ कंबाइन करके लेके चल सकते थे, उस कंटेंट के लिहाज से आई होप सो काफ़ी हद तक चीज़ें क्लियर हो रही होंगी. Group communication. A group is a collection of users sharing some common interest. Group-based activities are steadily increasing. There are many types of group. Generally, you know very well. And again, ये वाली slide आपको lesson plan में नहीं मिलेगी. The number of hints, points and concepts जो मैंने आपकी slides के अंदर extra डाले हुए हैं, तो kindly students आप लोग वीडियो से ज़रूर go through हो जाइएगा for the sake of your quizzes and papers. ये ना हो कि आप just go through with your लेसन प्लान्स, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्सेप्ट आपकी वीडियोस में भी दिए हुए हैं जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस. जैसे हम आपको बोर्ड में समझाते हुए बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताते हैं, तो सेम इन दैट फैशन. तो group is about collection of number of individuals. They work together for the same interest, for the achievement or objective or the purpose for the same objective. There are many types of group. That can be an open group. Anyone can join customer of Walmart, just like closed group membership is closed, class of this, and peer-to-peer group, generally you know very well, of equal status, are same level employees and so on, same level department. And hierarchical group, hierarchical group, again hierarchy के point of view से, one or more members are distinguished from the rest, president and the employees of the company, distance learning and so on. It's about hierarchy, just like आपको मैंने बताया था जो हमारे पास hierarchical structure होता है, like you can say जिसको हम कहते हैं organizational chart, जिसमें हम we have to mention कि इस तरीके से हमारे पास जो है वो सॉरी वो होता है organizational chart hota hai. So this one is the concept of, we can say, organizational chart. This one is about top level management, then this is about middle level management and so on. जो हम इससे downward जो है वो हम इसको specify करते हैं. So this is, you can say, hierarchical grouping or hierarchical structure concept. So open group, anyone can join. That is about closed group. Like till this time, you can join that group. So आप एक टाइम पीरियड मेंशन कर देते हो, मेंबरशिप मेंशन कर देते हो कि इतने लोग इस स्पेसिफिक होटल की एक स्पेसिफिक प्लेस की मेंबरशिप ले सकते हैं. Peer to peer group, same level पे, when you have to evaluate or you have to discuss and so on, you have to you can say communicate with the same level individuals. Just like आप लोग students जब आप आपस में करते हैं communicate, तो वो peer to peer communication होती है. But when you have to communicate with your teacher, so that can be upward communication, and when your teacher has to communicate with you, that can be the downward communication. ये already हमने first second lecture के point of view से काफ़ी चीज़ें go through हुई हैं, जो मैं आपको again video की form में भी आपको मिल जाएंगी. Okay, class. Now, next one is about components of group communication. I hope so. Yeah, till now, जो है वो, this one is enough for first clip. Components of group communication that we will discuss in the next slide. Thank you, students. Thank you so much for this slide.